My name is Henry, popularly known as Gifted or True.
What is going on here?
It's so unbearable. It's so painful that we went for a funeral, and on our way coming, we saw this mess. Look at a main road that the government has created for people to pass on to their places. Look at what is happening. A lot of water. We can't even pass through, so we have to even step out from our car, push the lorry, because the lorry was stuck there. We have to push it out from the water.
It means your car is broken, right?
Yes. It was stuck there, so we have to just get out from the car, push, and then help others who are not moving to move the car from the water. It's very, very sad.
Boss, what is your name?
My name is Maxwell.
Maxwell,
Yes.
I could see you are directing traffic,
Yes.
doing a lot of things to make sure cars move from here.
That's right.
How did it happen?
As my brother said earlier on, we went for a funeral and then on our way returning home, the rain started somewhere. But we thought that we will get here and then sail through easily. When we got here, we saw that the Western Corridor Road, as we call it, could you imagine the mess that is happening here? For several years, this problem has been persistent. And it seems the authorities are adamant. They sit adamant.
Is it your first time of experiencing this here?
It has been happened most of the time whenever it's rain during rainy season.
No, you yourself. Tell me your personal experience.
My personal, this is the second time I've been experiencing this.
So compare this one to the previous one. What is
Believe you me that both of them are more serious. On a more serious note, both of them are serious. But the previous one that I've been experiencing were more serious than this. And you could see how.
Sir,
5 hours traffic for 5 hours.
I started from here.
From but Chairman, it's very serious. Ambulance will want to be modified. You don't give away. Send it to Jonas.